Guys, I accidentally clogged the toilet.
Oh my fucking god.
That's gross.
Shut the fuck up, Jason. That's why we switched to flash themes, but your voice is still so fucking annoying. I'll go check the toilet out. Holy shit, what did you do to this thing?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Where's the plunger?
We don't have one.
Oh my fucking god, I'll go get one then. Hey there, do you guys have any plungers?
Why wouldn't we? $200 for a plunger.
That's practically a nice fucking way of telling me you want to rob me for a plunger. The difference is you're the one about to be robbed.
Calm down, kid. Let me get you a plunger. Absolutely fucking not. This is what happens when you try to rob my store.
Why are we even doing this? This is retarded.
Cops, come back.
I am so done with this stupid shit.
So you're telling me, your toilet got clogged, almost got bamboozled, had a Mexican standoff with a store owner, all for a plunger?
Sounds stupid, I know.
Just get out my office.
Hello?
Hey bro, so it turns out we had a plunger in the bathroom drawer. Sorry for the inconvenience, my guy.
Oh my fucking god, I hope you die.